Guys, are you looking for reliable Toyota sedans in Kenya? Today we are at Jamhuri Car Bazaar checking out some of the best deals of Toyota Allion and Toyota NZE, from budget friendly option to premium rides, guys. So first unit here, we have this one here is Toyota Allion for 2009. It's a 2000 cc engine capacity. It's a Valve-matic. So this is the top tire option in today's lineup. 2009 Toyota Allion with a 2000 cc engine capacity. Now you are getting strong performance, smooth car acceleration, and also better fuel efficiency thanks to Valve-matic technology. So inside it feels premium for this Toyota Allion. Feels premium, spacious seats and also modern dashboards. It's very comfortable for long drives. Look at the interior, though it's locked. It's locked, but it's very clean from inside, guys. So if you're interested in this unit here goes for 1.05 million Kenyan shillings, negotiable price. Very nice. Next we have Toyota Allion. This is for another Toyota Allion for 2007, 1800 cc engine capacity. So this one is a perfect balance between power and affordability, because it deals for both city driving and also highway cruising, and it still gives you that executive feel for less. Like this unit goes for 750,000 Kenyan shillings, negotiable price. Maintenance tip for this: keep an eye on suspension components, bushings, and also shocks may need replacement due to age. You can see it's for 2007. So this unit goes for 750,000 Kenyan shillings. Still you can negotiate on that price, negotiable price. Let's look at the mileage. Mileage is 154,000 kilometers. That's the mileage of this unit, guys. Price, it goes for 750,000 Kenya shillings, negotiable price. Very nice, guys. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos like this, more deals at Jamhuri Car Bazaar. Like the video, and also you can share with your friends, those who are looking for cars, second-hand cars, guys. Very nice. That's Toyota Allion. So today these are just a mixture of Toyota Allion and NZEs. Very nice. Next we have Toyota NZE. This one is Toyota NZE. This is for 2005. It's a 1500 cc engine capacity, and now this 2015 model is known for reliability and also fuel efficiency. 1500 cc engine is very economical, making it perfect for daily use or even business. So this Toyota NZE goes for 690,000 Kenya shillings, negotiable price 690,000 Kenyan shillings. So some of the maintenance tip for this: always regularly clean the throttle body to maintain smooth fuel consumption for this Toyota NZE, guys. Very nice. Let's look at the interior. That's the interior look. So if you're interested in any of the units, my number is on the screen. Just feel free to contact me. I'll help you acquire the unit. Very nice. That's the interior look of this Toyota NZE. Very nice, very nice. That's the look. There's another Toyota NZE here. This one here is for 2002. Also 1500 cc engine capacity. This one of the most affordable options here, because it goes for 555,000 Kenya shillings, negotiable price. So despite of its age, it's still a very dependable car with low maintenance cost. Always check on the engine mounts and cooling system to avoid overheating issues for this Toyota NZE. Very nice. That's the interior look. If you're interested, you can contact me, guys. And also remember, you can support the channel through the number on your screen. You can support the channel. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. Today we are just looking at some of the Toyota Allions and NZEs here at Jamhuri Car Bazaar. These are some of the deals. Very nice. Next we have another Toyota Allion here. This one here, this Toyota Allion, this for 2007. It's a 1500cc engine capacity, and 1500cc engine capacity Toyota Allions are rare to find. They are very rare to find. Most of the units are 1800cc. So this one here goes for 870,000 Kenya shillings. It's a unique Allion, same 2007 model, but with a smaller 1500cc engine. They are rare to find. So you get the executive look of an Allion, but with better fuel economy, 1500cc. So maintenance tip for this: ensure regular servicing of spark plugs and air filters for optimal performance of this unit. Check on the spark plugs and air filters. That's the interior look of the unit. For those who've been looking for Toyota Allion 1500cc, here we go. Just feel free to contact me so that you can purchase this. All these prices are negotiable. They are negotiable, guys. Very nice. So guys, if you've watched up to this far, I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for always supporting the channel. If you're new here, my name is Vincent. Just consider subscribing for more videos. Then next we have another Toyota Allion. This one now is for 2005, 1800cc engine capacity. This 2005 Allion is a budget-friendly entry into the Allion lineup because it goes for 680,000 Kenya shillings. 680,000 Kenya shillings. Still offers good power with the 1800cc engine and a comfortable ride. Maintenance tip for this unit: inspect the gearbox condition, especially if it's high mileage. Just inspect the gearbox condition for this unit. It goes for 680,000 Kenya shillings, negotiable price. 680,000 Kenya shillings.
Anachukua tu clip yake. Anachukua video yake kidogo kiasi clip.
Very nice.
Fanya market. Okay.
That's the interior look. Next we have here Toyota Allion. This for 2008. It's a black in color, 1800cc engine capacity, and this 208 Allion sits just below the 2009 model in terms of price. So it offers a refined driving experience, solid build quality, and also good resale value. So this goes for 940,000 Kenya shillings. 940,000 Kenya shillings. Maintenance tip for this: regular alignment and tire rotation will keep your ride smooth. And also this will save your fuel, that regular alignment and tire rotation. Very nice. That's the interior. It looks amazing, very clean. So if you're interested, my number is on the screen. Very nice, very clean. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. So finally, we have one of the cheapest options here. This is another Toyota NZE. Cheapest option at 2004 NZE. It's a 1500cc engine capacity, very affordable, easy to maintain, and also fuel efficient. This is perfect for beginners or for business, biashara. So this unit goes for 408,000 Kenya shillings. Negotiable price, 480,000 Kenya shillings. Maintenance tip for this Toyota NZE: always monitor fuel injectors and also use clean fuel to avoid engine issues for this unit. This for 2004, guys. Very nice, very nice. This is the last unit here. So if you're interested in any of the units, feel free to contact me, guys. So there we have it. There you have it. From budget-friendly NZEs to premium Allions, Jamhuri Car Bazaar has something for everyone. So which one would you pick, guys?